During that time, there were no tournaments here in Asia. Practically no. If I would not go to Europe to campaign for my Grandmaster title, practically there was no way to get the Grandmaster title. So I had to decide, together of course with the blessing of the family, that there was no way but to go to Europe to campaign there.
Taong 1974, sa World Chess Olympiad na ginanap sa Nice, France, nasungkit ni Torre ang titulong Grandmaster. Ang pagiging GM ay ang pinakamataas na ranggo na maaaring makuha ng isang chess player. Siya ang naging unang chess Grandmaster mula sa Asia.
Ito yung certificate or na naging Grandmaster. Yan, way back in 1974. So,
ito yung official.
Official
this
na
one made it official.
Ito rin. Ito yung pruweba.